Whom do you believe? Whom do you believe this morning? Do you believe in man? Do you trust in man? And I make Castro say, there's no trust in man. There's only trust in God. Put your trust in God, because in Him is life. Believe in Him. Yes, we do believe. I believe in the God I'm serving, that He is able to do exceedingly, abundantly, far above. What do you want to ask from God? Believe in Him, trust in Him. He is the God that answers prayer. He is the God that reveals secrets. Anɔpɛ sɛ ɔda so te ase yɛ Nyankopɔn adom bi. Mogya wedi mu afiri sɛ ne Nyankopɔn adom bi. Sɛ ɔde nkwa bi adom ya, you can make it today. Sɛ ndra ne ne anidasoɔ no bi a, ɛnnɛ anidasoɔ wɔ hɔnom. Nyankopɔn no ɔbae sɛ ɔbɛfa yɛ hia no na ɔde sika yiedie no anaasɛ the riches in the kingdom of the Bemayan. We can do it because He said we can do it. All things work for our good. When we are weak, He calls us strong. When we are poor, He calls us rich. Because we know that our Redeemer He lives. Never give up upon this life, because life has never given up on you. He's the able God. He's the so able God. So believe in Him, trust in Him. He's the God that answers prayer. He's the God that reveals secrecy. This morning I want to encourage you. This morning I want to bring you to a certain level with your prayer content, with your life, because things are very difficult. But let me encourage you this morning. Let me tell you something. You see everything possible. Whom do you trust? Whom do you trust this morning? Whom do you believe this morning? Why not do any autonomy? Why not do rush anymore? And I pay me can be a trust said, yeah, trouble time be in him that. And I pay me show and can say, also found trace about time. Believe in Him. Whom do you trust? Whom do you trust? Whom do you believe? This morning, may you arise from your downfall. May you arise. It's my prayer that the Almighty God will lift you again. Maybe I was here and honey was here you. Maybe I thought from honey where you. A man go for being some be poor babe. And the young one, ever the young who Yanko Pondi, I was some. Maybe I will talk from no, and you want Yanko Pond, a castle too. Nabi, Nana Yanko Ponchi shares over more shares. Yanko Ponchi share. Then the baby share crampa. No weapon shall fight against me shall prosper. Because His rod and His staff they comfort us. Maybe I will share saying, and you want sorry, can't know home. This is the time for us to build ourselves once again. Lift up your voice unto the hill from whence our help comes from the Father who made heaven and earth. He is the God that we call. Let all things work for our good. Because we are serving the God of the living, not the God of death. May you arise from the downfall. May you be lifted once again from the struggle that the devil has placed you. It's my prayer that this morning God will not let you down. It's my prayer as you walk up this morning and walk out, may you receive a great blessing. May you walk through your favor. May the Almighty God connect great precious upon your life. He is the able God. He is the God that brings prosperity. He is the God that opens doors that have been closed. Arise, my brother. Whom do you trust? Whom do you believe?